Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, it is time. I was literally waiting all year 2021 for a new collection from Morphe. I'm here, I have it. You guys already probably have heard about it. It's literally all over Instagram and the colors are exquisite. Yes, I use exquisite because they are actually very, very exquisite. And I was just like, you know what? I was scrolling down my Instagram and just neglecting all of everything that's happening on the news. And I was like, oh my God, there's a new collection. And guess who the feature is? It is the infamous ILUVSARAHI. Did I say it right? You guys, I was like trying to say her name so many times and I was like, you know what? I gotta make sure I say it right. So in the comments down below, what do you guys think on how I did? But you guys, this collection is so exquisite. Here it is, the full Sweet Oasis collection from Morphe. First of all, you know what? I gotta keep this honest because, you know, now that obviously I am a beauty influencer and I technically look at everything. I look at the packaging, I look at the vibe, I look at the person that they feature, I look at every single thing because as a consumer and as someone that loves makeup, I do love to feel the vibe of it. I love to feel the story. I love to kind of know what I want to know why I'm wearing this, you know? This looks like a shoebox. I'm not getting Oasis. For me, this is just me, period. And a lot of you guys won't be getting this box. This is probably for just PR. But I would have loved to see Oasis sunset. Just flowers and florals and blue waters. Don't worry, you guys, because underneath, we do get that. I wanted to like literally spook you guys first because we do get the vibe. Especially when it comes to Oasis, you guys. This is getting away Oasis. And we all know Miss Sarahii is a world traveler. She's a beauty influencer. She's just so stunning to me. I think she's so fucking stunning. And I mean, what a great way to kind of just showcase this palette. And I'm totally getting the vibe. I'm getting it all. I just wish this cover was like on top. But let's fast forward a little bit. Let's get into the 35S Sweet Oasis. Inside, we do have 6 new brushes. Now, we all know we do love Morphe brushes. So we do have 6 new eye brushes, which by the way, I mean, who cannot have enough of fucking eye brushes? Like, I know I can. I have so many brushes, but I tend to kind of only use the ones that I actually like. And then we do have, I don't know if I'm gonna wear these today. We do have new lip glosses. Now, I mean, like I said, I wish they were matte lipsticks, but I mean, why not the little glosses, you guys? Now, I wish they were fuller, to be honest, but I mean, I have so many full ones that I don't finish. So I feel like these do make more sense than having the larger one because I don't even know who in their right mind would ever finish a liquid lipstick. I feel like we all, as 2021 makeup lovers, we always tend to buy more before we finish a lip gloss or a velvet lipstick or some sort, right? So I feel like who is really digging the bottom of a lipstick for product? If you are, fuck, I need to do that then because I waste so much that I you know, whatever. But we do love these little mini sets. They're giving me very Christmas holiday vibes. So this is my favorite part. I already unboxed this and I'm honestly very excited. I'm actually more excited about this than the Nikita Dragon palette. I thought the Nikita Dragon was cute for the moment, but I have to honestly tell you, I have not touched it since. Like, it's just not a palette I've went to. I don't even know where it is, to be honest. It's somewhere in this studio. But this one, I actually have a feeling I'm going to be touching. So you guys get ready. Now I need you guys to put your sound your imaginary drum noise in your ear and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Look at these. This side, phenomenal. This side, I mean, yeah, we need it. I mean, right? Like, we need a brown side. I feel like it's the perfect amount of browns. It's the perfect amount of pinks. It's the perfect amount of blues. Very wearable. The colors aren't so like bright and I want to say youthful because I feel like for me as a 32-year-old makeup lover in 2021, I like my products to not feel so young. You get what I'm saying? Like, I feel like if this had a picture of a fairy on it, I would have been like, I'm definitely fucking good. But it doesn't, and I'm getting kind of both. I'm getting a lot of different ages that can wear this palette. I'm getting a lot of different vibes. I'm loving this side, to be honest, as I'm looking at it more. I don't know about Tranquility. I'm definitely good. These silver metallics, I don't know if I would ever touch because I personally don't prefer silver shadow on my skin tone, period. Like, period. Don't ever put silver shadow on me. Like, I would freak the fuck out. Just be done. I'm done and over with. But these, I'm totally vibed. So I'm definitely gonna be doing something cool with these today, you guys. I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get into makeup and get this look on. All right, you guys. So first, we do love to start with the infamous base from P.LOUISE. Now, you guys can get this P.LOUISE product on P.LOUISE. I wanna say P.LOUISE.com. It's P.LOUISE Makeup Academy on Instagram. And they're literally my favorite primers. I haven't changed it in like 3 years. I don't use use anything else. And I know a lot of you guys have been buying these because I get the emails, and I'm just really happy you guys are loving the base products. Like, this is honestly the only base that I use. I don't ever go into a Sephora and buy any other bases, to be honest. Like, I don't, when I'm in Sephora, I don't even look at bases. I put it on a little beauty blender, and I just kind of like apply and just be sickening, you know, like look at that. I know a lot of artists that use this product and they just love it. So, and I actually really do love it. So if you guys do want this product, you guys can go over to P.LOUISE on Instagram, P.LOUISE Makeup Academy, I believe, and you guys can use my code Kimora Blac 10. It does save you money off. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and get out a little white liner. KVD Vegan Beauty, you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of this into the waterline, just a little bit. I tend to use the KVD Vegan Beauty if I want it to stay on all day, because honestly, this product does not move. What if I do like a blue, like just flat blue beautiful eye on top, and then on the bottom just like pink? Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Blue on top, pink on the bottom, right? Whatever. You guys know I'm infamous for doing that. All right, you guys, so go ahead and take out a little beauty blender, and let's go ahead and just kind of bake underneath, because we are gonna go play with a lot of color. A lot of the colors are bright, so I wanna make sure we do not have any fallout on the bottom of the eye. Okay, so just like that. And I tend to kind of keep a little space here because that's where my shadow is gonna go. Let's get this popping. So I'm gonna start with the blue on top first. So I'm gonna get a brush here that can kind of really be perfect for blue. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the MAC 224. Oh my God, I haven't used this brush in forever. So let's go ahead and play with the blue. I'm gonna work my way down from like Sail Away, Snorkel, what is that word? Snorkel Sesh. Okay, girl. And then we'll do the pink at the end. So let's go ahead and get some of this blue on. I wanna kind of see this color Sail Away. Let's see what Sail Away does. Ooh. Okay, so that's a perfect crease color. I'm just gonna get this and blend it. And you guys gotta remember, I work with a lot of brands. So I feel like when one brand comes out with blue, the next brand comes out with blue. It's like this war of color. So I'm just taking this blue, I'm just gonna kind of just feather it out a little bit. I love my shadow to kind of just stop like right here. But you guys can take that shadow out as far as you guys want. I'm gonna keep it very tight and minimal and cute, you know, very nice. Take that, blend it in. Ooh, look at that, how fucking pretty. Okay, yeah, this blue is cute. So far, I'm very obsessed with this already. I mean, I don't think I was like this with the Nikita Dragon palette. I mean, I did like the Nikita Dragon, I just feel like it wasn't like, wow, wow, wow. So I'm just taking that same blue, and this is the same blue. I haven't changed any blue yet. I feel like I really love this blue the way it is. Very Oasis, very just tropical. I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of Snorkel Sesh. Ooh. Let's go ahead and make sure that right eye looks exactly like the left eye. Take that brush and feather it out. Feather out, just kind of like, it kind of pulls out. So now that we have that on, we're like in love, right? I'm not mad about it. All right, so guys, so now let's go ahead and change up the brush a little bit. Let's go ahead and dive into Infinity Pool. I really want to use Hidden Cove, like really bad. So I want to do a little bit of Infinity Pool in the crease. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Oh my God, that's so fucking gorge. But these teals are actually very different from what I've seen, I'm not gonna lie. Because I feel like when it comes to blue shadow, like it could either be too blue, dark blue, navy blue, teal, you know, it could be a little too like pastel blue. Like it's just, I mean, there's so many different shades of blue. I will say this is very like an Oasis blue. Like I would say it's very tropical. I see this on the islands. I see this in the summer. I'm actually very surprised this came out in January. It's not even winter yet. Honestly, I feel like any brand that does like a winter collection, I'm just very like, I'm okay. To be honest, I don't care about winter. So that blue on top is actually probably making it better. Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm very dying to put this brush into Hidden Cove. So Hidden Cove is like a, I wanna say it right here. Hidden Cove is like a very darker blue. So I've been kind of working my way down, and then I'm gonna end up probably maybe using this color called Secret Lagoon. I don't know, we'll see, right? Those are kind of the blues that I'm kind of choosing to stay. So let's go ahead. Do that. Let's go ahead and just, oh, look at that, you guys. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Secret Lagoon on. Oh my God, how fucking gorge. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Yeah, that's so fucking stunning. Hold on, let me just do this. Bitch, that's so fucking wow. Bitch, Secret Lagoon. Wow. I'm fucking impressed. Very, very impressed. Wow, okay. I kind of want to change it up a little bit. Let me go ahead and pull out this. These are Huda Beauty. These are the metal and matte duos. And I literally use this for everything in every color. So I want to take this and just kind of carve out this crease. Oh my God. These are everything. Wow. You see how fast I did that shit, girl? Oh my God. Oh wow, look at that. I just literally changed the entire vibe. Because I wasn't gonna do a crease cut, but I thought, you know what? It was just fucking necessary. It was just fucking necessary. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little brush and I'm just gonna take this and just kind of really blend that into, I was gonna say my skin, but my skin isn't blue. And then now what I wanna do is I wanna use these shimmers. So there's this shimmer color in here called Coastline Cruise. And that looks so gorgeous that I wanna like tap it. Let's see it. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow. That blue, okay. Yeah, fucking fire. So now what I like to do is let's go ahead and kind of bring in that smoky shadow again. Putting my brush into Secret Lagoon and let's go ahead and just blur out this part. I'm gonna treat it like it's like my black shade. So now, what we want to do is I actually want to mix this color called Reef Dive. Let's see what it does. I have a feeling it's not going to do anything. Ooh, never mind, look at that. Oh my God, that looks so much better. It's like a little darker than what the color I used. And just kind of press it on top. Okay, cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of pink on top. Because I really do want to showcase some pink on top so it's not so half-half. Because I feel like I'm gonna use these shades here on the bottom of my eye to kind of really bring in the Oasis theme. So I think these light pinks are gonna be something cool to use when it comes to like up here. So I'm excited to use it. I feel like for that, I'm gonna use Private Villa to kind of really break apart. So it's not so half-half, you guys get what I'm saying? So taking that color, let's go ahead and just kind of blend a little bit right here. You see that? How it kind of breaks it and just kind of gives it like this different kind of vibe right here. Ooh, see? How pretty. Taking that same, okay, that worked out in my favor. Usually I would put like a yellow or something to kind of really give it like a nice little kick, but I feel like this is so much prettier. Yeah, I love this palette. I'm obsessed. Okay, so now taking a brush, we're gonna work our way with these two colors. It's called Picture Perfect and Yacht Life. Okay, she's Yacht Life, worked. So taking Picture Perfect first, let's go ahead and just go nuts on the bottom of the eye. Just go nuts, girl. Wow. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Y'all, this fucking palette's everything. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. So just taking that purple and just really blowing out the bottom. Did I say the word blowing? Oh my God, I'm sorry, you guys. Oh my God, look at that. So when it comes to this part's awkward, you guys. So you see this awkwardness. So what I do is I just take an empty brush or a clean brush and just kind of blend it, but keep it very tight. Like you don't want to move it around so much because we still want that half and half kind of moment. So just kind of take it and blend it very softly. You kind of feather it out. It just kind of disappears. Now, where does it go? I don't know. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed with this purple. Oh my God. Oof. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed. Okay. Now, I want to do something that I need to do. Taking a little thin brush, I'm going to go back into Secret Lagoon and Hidden's Cove. And I'm just going to go ahead and just sharpen this moment. It probably just got a little lighter because we put the pink on top. As long as you guys remember the colors you guys use, then you're good. See? I feel like we should add a black now. Oh my God. What do you guys think? Should we add a black? Let's add a black. Let's add like a very soft black. Cause I feel like it needs some type of like transition, like a little dramatic moment. So I'm gonna pull out this palette. This is Sample Beauty, you guys, from Beauty Bay Cosmetics. I love this palette. Like, girl, look at this fucking palette. It's everything. I think it needs like a little black, like a little, just very soft, not too dark. So I'm just gonna do like a generic black shadow and just really, oh yeah, look at that. Wow, see? That just like, let me have it. Wow, look at the difference. See? I know what the fuck I'm doing. And right now, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because you guys are still watching me. That means you guys are falling in love with me. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you guys can see me every single week with beauty videos and a bunch of other shit. Wow. That just fucking did it for me. Oh, wow. Good job. Feeling it. We're gonna do a very sharp black liner and to kind of give it like that cut-eye look. Oh my god, are you running out on me? Ooh, I love it. All right, you guys, so now we have the liner on. We're gonna go ahead and just dust off all of that translucent powder. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay. Alright, you guys, so we have the shadows on right now. I'm gonna go put on some lashes and a lip, and I will show you guys the final Oasis look. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm totally feeling Sweet Oasis. Why should I call it Sweet Oasis? That's kind of like cute. Like, I feel like that would have been like my palette. I would have named like Oasis. Get away with me. Oh, because she's a world traveler and she, oh, got it. Y'all, how is this eyeshadow? Like, I'm so, okay, just wow. I'm very high non-crimped hair. Wow, this palette, stunning. I'm definitely more excited about this than a Nikita Dragon palette. I have to say, I actually think you guys should return to Nikita Dragon and get this one. Don't do that. Just saying. Didn't tell you that. But you guys, this is honestly, what a great way to start off the year. I feel like makeup this year hasn't, like, no one's really coming out with something like amazing yet. So I'm really happy like Morphe came out with this palette and came out with this collection. I mean, it's a very tiny collection, like just brushes, lip gloss, and eyeshadow. Very tiny, but I think the vibe, the feel, the colors it's a good start of the year. I'm very excited to see what else Morphe has in store for us for 2021. But this is a really great launch. I think it's just what we needed. It was kind of like that, get out of winter, goodbye 2020, goodbye Christmas. Let's start summer early, right? Are you not getting on with me? Or are you guys still wanting like a winter wonderland situation? Because I can't. You guys, I had so much fun doing this collection with you guys. I hope you guys are getting your hands on it right now. Before we end this video, I want to take this time to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope your guys' looks have turned out great. I can't wait to see all the selfies. Please tag me on my Instagram. And then also, if you guys are shopping on Morphe, I am keeping my eye out. I know you guys are using my code, and I want to take this time to say thank you guys so much because I'm getting the notifications that you guys are using my code Kimora when you guys are shopping on Morphe and in store. Thank you so much for the support. It's not about the money. It's not about anything at all. It's the fact that you guys are thinking about me when you guys are shopping on Morphe, and that just literally makes my heart so like fucking warm. I can't wait to see all of the Oasis looks. Congratulations to ILUVSARAHI for this collaboration. I'm keeping my eye out for you. You're so fucking stunning, and I hope to meet you one day soon. And then also to the Morphe team for this big launch. I'm so excited and cannot wait to see what's in February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures and check my social media. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in a few days or a day.